How to measure a dent. If you happen to have a magnetic ruler in your right hand, this is one thing that you can use also. Just because you have damage here, look out about this far, sometimes the damage can actually be this big. Right here, because this got pushed in, this is buckled out. So this dent, in theory, is over 1 foot long. So also looking from the side at a 45-degree angle, and always stand back, you can always see more. This can be repaired in 1 day. Another good tip to assess your damage is depth, how stretched is the metal. If you don't have accessible magnetic ruler, look at the pictures online, you'll find something very comparable to what you have. If you have any questions, contact us through the contact form, and we'll be able to answer any questions you need. Always attach a picture, otherwise it takes about 4, 5, 6 days to explain what I can look at in a picture in about half a second. You can always assess the damage very accurately. We will tell you immediately what to do next and many options to fix it for your car.